first customer is Frank.
Hi, Bianca.
How can we help you, Frank?
Well, I want to get a jumping rope.
Oh, Bianca, would you help show Frank where the jumping ropes are while I put these bouncing boysenberries in the back? Ooh,
Sure, Mom. I can do it.
Great. Thanks.
Take as long as you want. I can take care of the store by myself. Oh, yes! Another customer. Hi, Laurel.
Hi, Bianca. We were wondering if we could have a tea party in the Cupcake Cafe.
This doesn't seem like a good idea.
Tea party, tea party!
Oh, of course you can have a tea party. Ha! Float to me, cupcakes. Onto my plate.
Want some help?
No, I can do it. Ugh. Hey! Not on my head. Help! Oh, Beatrice! Ah, I've got you.
Bianca, can we have decorations too?
Decorations? Wishenpoof! Oh, no. Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
Oh, no!
Is everything okay? Whoa! Let me help you.